Teams, using private chat. In this video, we're going to introduce you to private chat in Teams. Within Teams, in the left menu, there's a chat function. In chat, you can start a new chat with a single person or start a group chat. If you have never used chat before, you'll just see your own account showing under Pinned. To start a chat, click on the new chat icon in the top left. Enter the name or the email address of a Department for Education staff member. Due to protective practices, chat has been disabled between students and staff. If you've previously had a Teams chat with that person, you can see all of your past conversations. This is known as persistent chat. Click on the typing box at the bottom of the screen to start typing a message. If you would like to add additional lines of text, you can press Shift-Enter for a new line. Or you can click on the A and pencil icon for more formatting options, including bullet points and tables. You can also add a range of additional features in a chat post, such as emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Once you've finished composing your message, click on the send icon in the bottom right. If the person you have sent the chat message to has Teams open on their desktop, they'll receive a notification letting them know that a new message has arrived. Otherwise, they will receive an email alert. If the person is responding to your message, you will see their profile pop up with moving dots to indicate that they're typing. This little icon here, representing an eye, indicates that the person has seen the message and they're replying. When you receive a message, you can react and reply. If you don't like your message or you spot you've made a mistake, you can hover over the message and click on the pen icon. This will allow you to edit the message and will put a label on the message to show that it has been edited. If I click on the ellipsis, the three dots, I get some more options, including the option to delete my message completely. If you finish chatting with a particular person and you don't want the chat visible in your left menu, you can right-click and click on Hide. This doesn't delete it, it just hides it from your view. You can find the conversation again by typing in the person's name when you start a new post. You can also use the Files tab to quickly locate any files you might have shared in the chat. In the top right, there are some additional functions within chat. If you want the conversation to include more than one person, you can add people to the chat by clicking on the Add People icon. If you would like to start a video call with the person, you can click on the camera icon. To start a voice call with no video, click on the phone icon. If you would like to share your screen without talking to the person, you can click on the screen sharing icon. You can then select what you would like to share, either your entire screen or a window that you have open. Sharing your screen through chat, unfortunately, does not allow you to give the other person control of your screen. Once you click on the content you would like to share, the other person will receive a notification letting them know that you want to present. Once they click on Accept, you'll get a red border around the screen you're sharing. You can also go in to change the call to include video or audio after you have shared your screen.